Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is one that hits close to home for every parent, guardian, and driver. I'm talking about school bus and school zone safety in Florida. In Florida, we take the safety of our young ones very seriously. However, and unfortunately, school bus accidents and accidents in school zones still occur. And this is often due to drivers not exercising proper levels of caution in school zones and in other areas where children are known to be. So let's talk more about avoiding school bus accidents and accidents in Florida school zones. Few things are more important than the safety of our children, and school buses are a trusted method of transport for this valuable cargo. It's crucial for both drivers and parents to be vigilant in school zones and near school buses and around schools. However, some drivers don't take school zone safety or school bus safety seriously, and children get hurt as a result every year. If your child has been injured by a reckless or careless driver, don't hesitate to reach out to an Orlando school bus accident attorney at our office for a free legal consultation. Now, let's talk more about Florida's laws regulating school bus and school zone safety, as well as practical safety tips for everyone involved. Florida and many other states impose legal consequences for failing to stop for a school bus. In fact, the law is quite strict in this regard. In the past, the penalty for not stopping for a school bus in Florida was $100. However, that fine has since doubled to $200. Even more severe, passing a stopped school bus on the side that children enter and exit may result in a $400 fine. Moreover, repeated offenses within 5 years can lead to a driver's license suspension for up to 1 or 2 years, depending on the gravity of the offense. These penalties serve as a reminder that negligent or reckless behavior that endangers children will not be tolerated. Distracted driving, particularly involving cell phones, is strictly prohibited in school zones and school crossings. Violators face a $60 base fine, along with court costs and additional fees, and they will get 3 points on their driver's license in most cases. In Florida, the law seeks to protect children from distracted drivers, and the law aims to encourage drivers to maintain their focus when children are around. The grim reality is that children are especially vulnerable to getting hit by a car. Most accidents involving young children occur near their homes and between the hours of 3 p.m. and 6 p.m., often in favorable weather conditions. That makes sense, right? They're outside playing. Notably, young boys are roughly twice as likely to be injured as young girls. And these facts underline the importance of constant vigilance when driving around school zones or anywhere where children are around. Now, the civil laws seek to remedy past harms, but prevention is certainly a much better option. Parents, teachers, and guardians have a pivotal role in instilling safety practices in children. For example, children should always be supervised when crossing the street. And teaching kids to look left, then right, and then left before crossing, and encouraging good behavior can set them on a path to safety. Leading by example is crucial here, because children do what we do. Now, let's talk about actionable steps drivers can take to reduce school zone accidents. First, it's essential to slow down and exercise extreme caution when driving in school zones. Additionally, drivers should always stop for a school bus that is loading or unloading passengers. And drivers should be extra vigilant when a school bus is nearby, under any scenario. And they should watch for children who may unexpectedly dart out into the road. We parents play a critical role in our children's safety, and we should continuously educate our children about safety rules for walking or biking or riding in vehicles. Additionally, parents should always supervise young children when they're near roads. Also, one of the most important things in teaching children road safety is to lead by example in every safety aspect, from buckling up to wearing bike helmets. Children learn through the actions of others. Overall, children need to be taught critical safety lessons. For example, children need to be taught to always buckle up and sit in the back seat of cars. They need to be taught to wear bike helmets and adhere to all biking rules. And they need to be taught to diligently follow all safety protocols when riding in school buses and crossing streets. This is critical because children can't possibly appreciate the dangers associated with motor vehicles, and a lack of training could result in harm to a child. In summary, safety in school zones is a shared responsibility. Florida's stringent laws and penalties are designed to ensure the safety of our children, but laws alone are not enough, and they only come in after the fact, after a child is harmed. As drivers, parents, and guardians, it's our duty to be informed and cautious and proactive, and it's also our duty to teach our children about road safety. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope this video was informative for you. If you or a loved one has been injured in a school bus accident, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're happy to give you a free legal consultation with an Orlando school bus accident attorney at our office. All you have to do to get in touch with us is call the number below in the video description, or you can look us up at www.carelessdriver.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.